Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Check this out, another light from ThruNite. This is an Archer Mini, small box, so it's going to be a pretty small light. I actually am not sure yet, but it don't open like their other boxes. But just a nice little box. Looks like it's got a little tear strip here to tear it open. Well, that didn't work too good, but we can get it open. With a knife. Got some instruction sheets. So good thing is it is rechargeable, and this is USB-C, USB to USB-C, which is definitely what you want nowadays. That thing is stupid tiny. Look how little this light is. I mean, this is a little bitty light. So pretty basic. It does have the double clip, which is nice because you can actually clip it this way on your belt or pants, or if you have it flipped over this way, you can clip it this way. So real nice how these double clips work like this, both directions. Power button here. So it looks like let's see, we'll twist this open. Now this battery, I did hear that this battery is not removable. Really, it's just it's built in. So, which you don't really need it anyway. I mean, just plug it in to charge it, so you don't have to take the battery out. It's not necessary. Here's our USB-C right here. So you just unthread that. That's nice because this is O-ring sealed. So when you thread that back, like so, it's nice and O-ring sealed. No water's going to get in that connection at all. Instead of having a little rubber flap like most of them do, it's actually sealed behind this cover. That's a really nice idea. Okay, so we take the USB-C like so, plug it in like that to charge it. Real simple. It's a nice tight fit. Screw it back on here, and it does say on here ThruNite Archer Mini. It is a little thing, very cool to carry. We got two of these that ThruNite sent me. I'm not getting paid nothing for this, just to make the video for them and check the light out. But they sent us two of them, so we're actually going to put these in our backpacks. We both have a backpack. This will be a real handy little light to keep in your backpack anytime you go out backpacking, camping, and have this available. So there's our on, which is just hit the button, turn it on, and I guess that's low power. We'll see if we double tap. Wow. So that's, we'll have to see if that's high power or not. I'm not sure. Triple tap. Triple tap is strobe. Turn it off. The nice button here on this end, so it's actually just rubber. It's not like the buttons that are normally mounted here on ThruNite lights. It's just a rubber cap button here on the end, which is actually nice. On and off. Very simple, very basic, and for the price, that's what you would expect. But so far, I like this light really good because of the small compact size. Let's look at the specs here and see what it says. Okay, specifications. So it does have the LED is a SST20, reflectors a TIR lens, working voltage is 2.75 volt to 4.2 volt, 6061 T6 aluminum, type 3 hard anodized finish, and the dimensions is 83 millimeter by 16.7 millimeter, very small, very light too. It's 33 grams, or 34 grams, sorry. Okay, we'll look at the specs here. So what we have on the specs is we have very simple, we just have strobe, we have low power, and then we have high. What we have is strobe, 355 lumens, and it should last on strobe 110 minutes. Then over here on low, we have 18 lumens, which is pretty low, but it lasts 7.5 hours. Quite a long time on low. And then on high, it's 405 lumens, so actually really bright. And then after 2.8 minutes, it drops down to 157 lumens, and then it will run 52 minutes after that on the 157 lumens. So basically, that's actually it. I mean, it's just a very simple, small light. Of course, it's got 2-year free replacement warranty. ThruNite does a good job on their warranties. You know, they take care of you, good customer service. All their contact info is right there, and they have these on Amazon. Well, I will post a link below. I'm going to charge this thing up, and then we'll take it out tonight. Right now it's not. It's daylight, so We'll take it out tonight and try it out. But what it does, I do know, like all of theirs, when you plug this USB in, there's a little light right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little hole. And when it's plugged in charging, it's going to be red while it's charging. And then once this thing gets full charge, it's going to turn blue to let you know that it's full charge. So I want to charge this up. So when we turn this on, one time is low. Double click is high. Triple click is strobe. Just that simple to use. So it does have a lock mode. And what the lock mode does is keep you from accidentally turning it on. So if you throw this in your purse, like a woman, you know, or if we put it in our backpacks and you just hit that button, well, it's going to turn on, you wouldn't know it's going to run the battery dead. So while you're on low power, if you'll hold this button down, it goes off. We're in lock mode. Now, if you accidentally hit this button, you see it does turn the light on, but it goes right back off. It don't actually stay on. So that way it protects it from the button just being hit, turn it on low, or if it's somehow double hit, it might turn it on high, run your battery dead real fast. But that's just a safety feature, which is a good idea. You can actually still push it and it just kind of comes on while you push it. If you hold it down, we come back into low. I'll turn it off again like that, and we're good to go. So let's take this thing out at night and try it out and see what it's like. Okay, here we are out here at nighttime with the little mini light. Actually pretty good on low. It's better than a lot of them on, I mean, it's better than Firefly on a lot of lights, so definitely pretty good on low. See the little Ranger here pretty good. That's just on low power in the house, so lights up real good. We'll do the high here. And definitely a lot better on high. That's actually a good little light. I can't believe how bright this thing is for something so small. If there was deer over there in that field, hopefully the wind ain't bothering us too bad. It's windy out here. If there was deer over there, their eyes would light up. There's not. But look at the signs down there on the road, which is quite a ways down there to the road. I'm up on a hill here. See the road down there? You can actually see the light beam kind of shining there. So, pretty darn good. I'm impressed. No doubt. I like that. For such a small light, it does a very good job. Bring it over here by the Ranger. Look at that, and on the ground. So it's so bright it blows the camera out when you shine it on the ground that close. Very good. Let's go back to low. There's low, which is still plenty good. Which is like, what was it, 7.5 hours or something? Which is plenty of light that you can get around and see everything you want. If you're going to go outside and work on something or work in a breaker panel, this thing's small enough you could actually put it in your mouth. Yeah, it's not necessarily sanitary, but hey, sometimes you do what you do. Let's go to bright. Yeah, look at that on that big old cedar tree. Lights up really good. See the moon back there. Very good. Nice. Hey guys, check this light out. I will post a link in the description to this ThruNite Archer Mini. Thank y'all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one. We'll have a new light review before long.